Alright, in this video we're going to be going over the game mode, SAS singleton pattern, the lives and score feature, and functions and custom events. So I'm going to be showcasing how I used all of those. And first we'll go over game mode, I guess. Yeah. So for the game mode, I ended up making a new blueprint class for, here it is, for the game instance. And in there, the instance basically lets you kind of set the rules for the world basically. And this is kind of where I set the on player death thing happens, where it also resets the level, where it will not it resets the level, but also it also counts the lives as well. And once the lives run out, it will say game over. And let me yeah, see, on player death, it'll branch, and it'll check the lives, see how many you have, and then if you have zero, then it'll play it. So let's showcase that right now. You die 3 times. One, two, three. Oh, there we go. Game over. There we go. And now he's running away. There we go. Yeah, it still worked. All right. And the score feature as well. This one took me a little bit to make actually, but so I kind of used the same sort of system with that, but I used a little bit of different stuff. So what I did was, I did the overlap event. Same as last time. Overlap event. You got to set it to so it can take overlap events and stuff. And then I casted it to the sprite, and then I casted it again because the first time it failed because I just casted it straight to the tech runner instance. That's the name of the game, which is the instance. Let me actually go over that actually. Here we go. So I put it in this instance, the score. So I had to basically call it in here. But in order to do that, I obviously had to touch it. So I had to place the cast to MC Sprite, the main character, in front of it in order for it to do all that. But also, I also had to make this right here, this widget. They made a text block right here, and then I wrote the code in here, which will basically, on the player death, it'll branch to see, how many lives you have, and it'll adjust accordingly, basically. And I managed to get it to work. Well, not. I keep saying lives. Score. Sorry, score. Uh, Here we go. Let me show it off. Boom, boom, boom. Let's see. I can keep collecting more and more. And what else do I have left to showcase? The game mode. I showcased that. And then there's the singleton pattern. I didn't really showcase that too much. So the singleton pattern is basically it's basically when if something is by itself, and you don't have to specifically like specifically name it if it's by itself, basically. So let's say for example, we're going to the beach. If there's only one beach, you don't have to name it a specific beach. But if there's multiple beaches around the area, the computer won't know which beach you want to go to. So you gotta specifically state that. And I don't really know do I have anything that showcases that? I guess I kind of do right here. I got two Cybos, so I do got those, and I had to name them different things. So yeah, I can't just say for when for when I want the player to get damaged, I have to say a specific. It has to be a specific actor. I can't just say actor because it won't work. The computer won't know. So I had to actually put it on the side. Where's it at? Is this the wrong one? It's the wrong one. Also the wrong. Where is that? I don't think I did it for this one. Hmm. Well, normally, yeah, you would put it like on the side. Either you will put it on the side or you'll, here we go, get component by class, target this actor, and all that. And yeah, that is basically the premise to the singleton pattern.